So this little kitty cat here is going to help me to explain something. To answer a question, help you answer a question. And the question is, what's your problem? On your process, in your line, what's your problem? You've run into problems all your life. You've found ways to fix them. Today you have a problem, guaranteed. But you may not know what the problem is. Now you might be looking at me here saying, well, your problem is you're trying to do a video and you got a kitty cat on your lap. That's not a problem at all. The problem is I'm allergic to the bloody thing. Yeah, I have cats. I'm allergic to cats. That's not very smart, I know. Look how cute they are. How could you not love them, eh? So look at your line in the same way. The purring kitty cat isn't your problem. Might not be your problem. Your problem might be more insidious, quieter, hiding in your shadows. Might be systemic. So it's not even in one particular place. Could be dropping your throughput, increasing your costs, increasing your waste, throwing your quality off. You've got a problem, we all do. It's the nature of life, the second law of thermodynamics, etc. What is the worst problem? Not the noisiest, not the most visible, but the one that's causing you the most problems. Right now, my problem isn't that I've got a cute kitty cat on my lap. My problem is my face is itchy.